In the ancient scrolls of Matthew chapter 8, verses 5 through 13, a remarkable story unfolds. A centurion, a Roman military officer, seeks the aid of Jesus for his ailing servant. Despite not being of the same faith, the centurion recognizes the divine authority of Jesus, demonstrating a faith unmatched. His faith, pure and unshaken, moves Jesus. He marvels at the centurion's belief, declaring he has not found such great faith in Israel. The servant, though not present, is healed at that very moment, an affirmation of the power of faith. This tale challenges us. It's a call to embrace faith, even when it seems unconventional. It's a testament that faith, regardless of its origin, has the power to move mountains. So remember, faith can be found in the most unexpected places, and its power is boundless. This is the lesson from Matthew 8, 5 through 13. Soak it in, ponder, and let faith guide your journey.